The delta is fed by many different river systems, most notably the Sacramento and the San Joaquin, but also many smaller systems like the Mokelumne River.
Historically, this area had an abundance of floodplain rearing habitat. However, now the river is much more channelized. So that's why projects like this, where we're going to restore the floodplain, are so important.
I think one of the great things about this particular project is the excitement and enthusiasm from the landowners.
James Pearson from East Bay Mud got in touch with us right away and said, oh my gosh, you're looking to maybe collaborate with something. We have a perfect project that's in the works right now.
The simple idea that 80 to 90% of all the salmon spawning happens in this upper mile of the river, and there's not enough safe space for the young salmon to have an area to rear, and so without that, you're not going to have more salmon.
So this project is a floodplain restoration project in which we're trying to benefit the juvenile Chinook salmon. The fish will benefit from increased growth and survival by going into the floodplains, and we're hoping that that increased survival while they're out migrating towards the ocean will subsequently lead to increased adult returns.
Projects like this build momentum, and they build buy-in in a watershed like the Mokelumne, where we need to take actions as the Mokelumne feeds into the delta and provides those benefits downstream.
That's really important, is that we're in a location here.
Yeah.
This is a prime location. It needs to happen in a certain place. This is that place.
Yeah, it feels like a huge honor to be on this specific piece of land that can have such a tangible impact.
The uniqueness about the Healthy Rivers and Landscapes Partnership is that it allows a small river like the Mokelumne River to get funding from a large water agency like Department of Water Resources to do work that's going to have a regional impact, but also in the Delta, it's going to make a system-wide impact for salmon and steelhead.